Well, finally, after all these years, the darn motor blew up in this Honda engine on my splitter. I guess I overworked it. It's probably made for domestic use, and I must have split, I don't know, hundreds of loads, maybe 1,000 loads. So anyway, I got a new engine, $199 from Princess Auto. It's a clone, but they say it bolts right on, so we're gonna give this a try. It's got a little bit more cc's and a little bit more horsepower, bigger gas tank, and all the other bells and whistles. It's got a shut-off for the engine and a shut-off for the fuel, which the other one didn't. It just turned the throttle off and it died. That's all you did. And the exhaust is on this side, but it looks like it matches up, and it's got the same size shaft, 3/4 inch and 2.5 inches long. Bolt holes are all the same, so should work. Oh yeah, you see it fits right on there. Comes without oil, so I have to get the right oil for it. And it's kind of finicky in the book of what kind of oil to use. It's got numbers that they don't have in town here. It's kind of a odd thing. You would think 1030 oil is 1030 oil, but no, it's all different variants. And it says it needs high detergent. But the pump fits right on too, you know, all those bolts work on the bell housing there, and the coupler. So we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, I gotta read a little bit in the book there, make sure that double check that it's got the right oil. Yeah, and you see it goes onto the dipstick. It doesn't just overflow out the hole. So I gotta keep an eye on that. See if I missed anything in the book that I should. Holy smokes, the rain is loud on that tarp. I think it holds 2 liters of fuel, not just 1 liter of fuel. See how that goes. So it costs half as much as a Honda engine. Maybe I'll get half as much life out of it. We'll see. Work out the same. Pull the string on it now and see what happens. The fuel and the choke, and the switch. Everything looks good. Yeah. Well, the more horsepower doesn't make it go any faster. I guess the hydraulic pump doesn't pump anymore. Okay. We'll see if it cuts, splits. Look at that, eh? No problem. Ten loads back there to split, so I think I got 3 loads left, and I'll have it all done. Doesn't look like it's going very fast, but after you do it for a few hours, you don't want it to go any faster. Sure a lot easier than swinging a maul and an axe and a wedge and things like that. There's a pretty big block. I don't have the jack set very good there. There's all kinds of different methods of rendering these blocks down to size, down to firewood size. Sometimes I just split them in half, and other times quarter them up, and it all works out. Production. Just have to keep at it. Thinking about it doesn't split it. You gotta just do it. Good to be back in business.